Hello friends, the Bike Doctor here, and just a very quick video to show up close and personal the Sram XX1 Eagle cassette. I am currently putting together a wheel set for my bike this season. I'll do other videos on this, but I've been on a quest to find a lightweight cassette. I didn't want to put the GX on, which is heavier, and I was thinking I'd go with the XL1, which is the next step up, but I ended up finding a deal on a brand new XX1 for less than I was seeing for other options, and so I am super stoked to show this to you and look at it. So I won't go into any of the technical aspects of this really. I am going to weigh it, but this is a one piece of metal machined work of art, and I am just so stoked. This is a work of art. So I'll be putting this on a set of Stan's Arch CB7 carbon wheels, and matching it up with a KMC 12-speed gold chain. And I hadn't intended to put a bunch of gold on the bike, but it's just the way it's working out. So I am trying to save some weight, and looking forward to testing this out. So let's go ahead and weigh it. I believe this is under 400 grams. Change our units here. Let's make sure we're zeroed. Yep, 366 grams. So my only point of reference is my other 12-speed bike has a Sunrace 12-speed cassette, and that's over 500 grams. I'm also running an NX on my fat bike, and I believe that thing comes in at, just below 500 grams, so it's 450, so, or even higher. Anyway, so that's it. Stay tuned for more updates and video on the upcoming build, not only the wheels, but the bike that they are going on. Thanks for watching.